We welcome all of you to our English learning channel. After knowing the English alphabets in short form, we shall now focus on
English articles. Come, enjoy, learn, read, write, and pronunciate.
Hello friends, this is Neil. Hope you have seen our all sorts from letter A to letter Z. If not, please go through the same for easy learning. In this very first episode, we shall be learning application of article A.
Hello friends, myself is Ruby. Let us learn the use of appropriate articles with vowels and consonants.
Articles are short monosyllabic words. We shall also learn the application of indefinite articles A, an, and definite article D. These are used before the nouns. Use of indefinite articles is the first time mention a person or item. A is used before singular nouns that start with consonant sounds. A bus, a car, a dolphin. Next, episode 2 shall be on article N. Please continue to enjoy, like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you once again for visiting the channel.